Welcome to your express guide to mastering Bybit. In just 5 minutes, you'll be ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Start by navigating to Bybit's website or downloading their user-friendly mobile app. Your journey begins with a simple click. Choose between email or mobile number for your sign-up method. Then, create a strong password that meets Bybit's robust security criteria. Quickly verify your account through email or SMS confirmation. It's a simple step that ensures your account's security. Boost your account's potential by completing Level 1 KYC verification. For even more features, aim for Level 2 KYC. Time to fuel your trading journey. Fund your account using either crypto or fiat currency options, whichever suits you best. Dive into Bybit's spot market for immediate trading action. It's where your crypto strategy comes to life. Explore Bybit Earn products for exciting passive income opportunities. Let your crypto work for you 24/7. Stay ahead of the curve by participating in new token launches through Bybit Launchpad. Be part of the next big thing. Ready to start your crypto journey? Click the link below to create your Bybit account now.